Hello peeps! It is good to see you folks visiting my channel. Welcome! So you want to know how to safely open and replace the thermal paste on this Asus TUF A15, the precise model listed right in front of you. Well, you came to the right video guide then. This laptop is a nice piece of equipment and I hope you get the job done. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? I will just loosen the screws first a bit. Don't wish to strain my electric screwdriver a lot. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. Precisely this corner one doesn't go out all the way like the other screws, and it will start prying open the back cover already as you unscrew it. You see here how it's already opened? So honestly, I got stuck on this side, so I will just try the opposite side. When disconnecting the battery, the manual says first disconnect the part of the connector where the red wire is. So this fan is held in place by 3 screws and the other one by 2. Time for me to remove the heatsink, and I will start with this hidden screw. By the way, the cooler screws go out all the way. No harm in removing this cover completely, but like you see, I haven't done it here. This screw is marked by a sticker and I will just pierce right through it with a screwdriver. Just make sure please that this sticker or some of its part doesn't end up in either of the fans. The only safe place to grab the cooling body, according to the maintenance manual, is right here, and just start giving it gentle but firm nudges. Does this make any sense? Gentle but firm? The thermal paste is pretty dry. I can barely wipe it off with a dry piece of paper. I think I will use some isopropyl alcohol as well. Or you can just buy the ready-made alcoholic wipes included with Arctic thermal paste. Amazon purchase link in the description box below. The fans come out fairly easy now, but since I've cleaned them before, I will not disconnect them. The paste is so dry here also. Pieces flying everywhere. This should be enough. I will not wipe off the thermal putty that is all around. I did the X shape here for a change, but a single dot should suffice. I will only put the lower screws back on the fans. Yes, made things a bit complicated for myself for not disconnecting this. I believe it to be the LCD LED panel cable. Okay, took this from the maintenance manual for you guys and gals. So this is the direction in which you have to tighten the screws on the cooling body. Here I'm doing another round to tighten them all the way. It's not crazy tight, okay? I didn't forget these two, neither should you. Fixing everything here so it looks nice and tucked away. About the battery, so according to the maintenance manual, the secure way to reconnect it is start from the black wire part of the connector. So the black wire should come in contact with the motherboard first. My apologies because my hand is blocking your view. This metal part should lean on the connector. When finishing, you should start with this screw here. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.